Let's take a look at the professionally designed GitHub-based portfolio site that you get as a member of Data Science Infinity, the very same portfolio that is helping DSI students consistently land amazing roles in this field. So in the program here, as you work your way through the curriculum, learning all of the key tools and skills that hiring managers have said they need and want from new data scientists and new data analysts, you will build your way towards an incredible portfolio of projects, and this is hugely important when looking to land a role in this field. While other candidates will have portfolio projects that look like this, a nightmare for recruiters and hiring managers, you are going to be selling yourself with this. As I mentioned, this has been professionally made for Data Science Infinity students and exists upon GitHub. On top of the site itself, as you can see on screen here, after you have worked through each project in the curriculum, I provide you with a pre-built project template that is optimized for hiring managers and recruiters, meaning that you get even further ahead of the competition and go from learning to applying and landing amazing roles much faster. These projects are based on real-world tasks and problems that are so common in the field. So come interview time, you are going to be showcasing the types of skills and knowledge that hiring managers are just screaming out for. So let's take a bit of a look. Starting at the bottom, we have the very first project that you'll add to your site, and this is called Finding All Prime Numbers Under 1 Million using Python. This is a really great project that we build when learning about the different data structures within Python and why it's important to know the differences under the hood for both functionality and performance. As you can see here, once you've completed this work in the course, you get the pre-built project to add straight in. The next project we build is called Assessing Campaign Performance using the chi-square test for independence, and this is such a common task in the field. Showing your ability to do this well will get attention. Again, as you can see, I give you the project template once you've completed the work in the course, and you can keep it as it is, or you can add your own flair. Next, we have our first machine learning project, predicting customer loyalty using machine learning. And here we test 3 different algorithms to predict customer loyalty scores based upon attributes and shopping behaviors. Again, this is a really common type of project in the real world, so you're syncing with the needs of hiring managers. Next, we have enhancing targeting accuracy using machine learning, where again, we test out several classification algorithms and look to predict who will purchase a particular product so that future marketing communications can be much more efficient and effective. Again, you're provided with an optimized project template after you've put in the hard work, learning and applying this in the course. Next, we build out a customer segmentation called the You Are What You Eat segmentation using K-means clustering to divide up the customer base of a grocery retailer into distinct segments to increase business understanding and to enhance the relevancy of targeted messaging and customer communications. In a project called Compressing Feature Space for Classification using PCA, we use principal component analysis to compress 100 unlabeled sparse features into a more manageable number for classifying buyers of Ed Sheeran's latest album. We then move on to a project using association rule learning, which is the basis behind concepts such as customers who purchased X are likely to purchase Y that you'll often see on sites like Amazon. Here we apply this technique to the alcohol section of a store with the aim of A, helping customers find the products they want, B, recommending which other products they might be interested in, and C, helping marketing managers understand which products to use in bundled promotions that they are looking to run. Next, you will build a project called Quantifying Sales Uplift with Causal Impact Analysis, which is a powerful technique originally created at Google. One of the most common tasks that we undertake in data science and data analysis is understanding and quantifying a change in a key business metric after some event has taken place. Depending on the industry, this could be the uplift in sales after the promotion of a product release, the additional clicks, conversions, or signups generated by an online ad campaign, or the change in the Tesla share price after Elon Musk makes his latest tweet. Whatever the scenario, this task is essentially the same. We want to understand how big this change was. But to understand this robustly and reliably, we really need to understand what would have happened had the event not taken place. And this is what causal impact analysis looks to do. In Data Science Infinity, we learn about and apply this technique to analyze, understand, and quantify the sales uplift of customers that joined a membership program, providing them free grocery deliveries. From there, we add in our first project from the incredible world of deep learning. We build, refine, and optimize a convolutional neural network to classify images images of different fruit. We look at ways to tackle overfitting, we utilize image augmentation to increase the reliability and performance of the network, we tune the hyperparameters to get an optimal architecture, and we even look to apply a massive pre-trained neural network to see how that compares. This is hugely exciting, and again, after you've put in all of the hard work, you are provided with the project template to showcase the incredible skills and knowledge you now possess. Continuing on in the world of deep learning, you then build something quite amazing, an image search engine driven by deep learning, meaning we have a tool customers can use to find products in store that are most similar to what they've seen in other shops or out in public. Like I say, this is an incredible project and one that will really gain attention when applying for roles in the field. As with all of the other projects that we've seen, you again get the project template provided, meaning you really can go from learning to applying and landing incredible roles much faster. Your results are the #1 priority, and this portfolio is just another part of the Data Science Infinity program that will help you get to where you want to be in this exciting, future-proof, and lucrative field. So there you go, an overview of the portfolio site and the projects you will build and add to it in Data Science Infinity. Of course, you can also add in your own projects to the site as well, but these ones are going to put you in an incredible position to impress when applying for and interviewing for roles. If you have any questions about the portfolio or about Data Science Infinity in general, you can get in touch with me via the main Data Science Infinity site or by connecting with me on LinkedIn. I love talking data science and analytics, so I will be absolutely delighted to discuss.